Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about solving multi-step linear equations. I'll make two videos. This is the part 1 video, okay? Solving multi-step equations. First example is 5 over 2x plus 10 equal to 4 over x plus 2. 5 over 2x plus 10 equal to 4 over x plus 2. In order to find the variable x, first we will do cross multiplication. 5 times x plus 2 is equal to 4 times 2x plus 10. We are cross multiplying. We are multiplying 5 times x plus 2 and 4 times 2x plus 10. Here we have to use distributive property. A times B plus C is nothing but A times B, and we have to do A times C. In the middle we have plus sign. So plus A times C. Okay. This is distributive property. This is distributive property. Okay. So 5 times X is 5 times X plus we have to do 5 times 2 is equal to 4 times 2x plus 4 times 10. Okay. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8x. 4 times 10 is 40. Okay. Now, we are bringing the like terms to one side. When you compare 5x and 8x, 8x is the greatest number. So we don't want 5x here. What is the reverse operation for plus? Minus. We are subtracting 5x on both the sides. 10 equal to 8x minus 5x is 3x plus 40. Okay. We don't want 40 now. The reverse operation for plus is minus 40. We are subtracting 40 on both the sides. 10 minus 40 equal to negative 30, which is equal to 3x. Negative 30 equal to 3x. We don't want 3. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. We are dividing by 3 on both the sides. X is equal to minus 10. Okay. The final answer x is minus 10. Coming to the second example. 10x minus 1 equal to 15 minus 6x. Okay. 10x minus 1 equal to 15 minus 6x. The reverse operation for minus 6x is plus 6x on both the sides. 10x plus 6x is 16x minus 1 equal to 15. 10x minus 1, 16x minus 1 equal to 15. We don't want minus 1. The reverse operation for minus is plus 1 on both the sides. So 16x is equal to 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 times x equal to 16. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. We are dividing by 16 on both the sides. So x is equal to 1. Okay. Coming to the third example, 8 into 5x minus 3 is equal to 6 times minus 3x plus 4. We have to use the distributive property. What is distributive property? A times B plus C is nothing but A times B. In the middle we have plus A times C. When you apply the same concept, 8 times 5x minus, we are doing 8 times 3 is equal to 6 times minus 3x and then 6 times 4. Okay, 6 times minus 3x plus 6 times 4. 8 times 5x is 40x minus 24 equal to minus 18x plus 24. Okay. We don't want minus 18x. The reverse operation for minus 18x is plus 18x on both the sides. If you observe, I'm writing on the bottom of the x variable. Okay. 40 plus 18 is 58x minus 24 equal to positive 24. Now we don't want minus 24. The reverse operation for minus 24 is plus 24. 58x is equal to 48. 50 times x is equal to 48. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. We are dividing by 58 on both the sides. X will be equal to 48 over 58, or we can simplify it because both the numbers are even numbers. They both are divisible by 2, which is 24 and 29. So x equal to 24 over 29. Okay. The fourth example, 9x minus 3 into 4x plus 6 equal to 16. Okay. 9x, again distributive property. 3 times 4 is 12x minus 3 times 6. Okay, because we have a minus here, is equal to 16. 9x minus 12x is minus 3x minus 18 equal to 16. The reverse operation for minus 18 is plus 18 on both the sides. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 34. Minus 3 times x equal to 34. The most common mistake is they will say minus 3 and they will add 3 on both the sides. But this is minus 3 times x. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. Divided by negative 3 on both the sides. Okay. So x is equal to minus 34 over 3. Okay. I hope I gave you a clear idea about solving multi-step linear equations. This is the part 1 video. I'll explain more in detail in part 2 video. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.